Hi, I'm Ananta Gautam. Let's look into 5 reasons to study for ACCA qualification. The first one is flexibility. ACCA qualification is brilliantly flexible, so you can study part-time or full-time from anywhere in the world. ACCA exams are held every 3 months. This means you can choose how frequently you sit for exams and how many papers you take at a time. ACCA is easier in terms of the fact that you don't have to take exams in a group, but you can choose how many papers to take in an exam sitting. So you can study ACCA at any stage of your career. You can start directly after your grade 12, or if you have a relevant bachelor's degree, master's degree, or any other professional qualification, you can start with up to 9 exemptions. The second one is worldwide recognition. ACCA aspiring students can study and work globally, as this qualification is highly recognized and valued around the world. Global employers value ACCA professionals and are highly demanded by top employers worldwide. The ACCA qualification opens doors to satisfying strategic work all over the world. It does not matter what field you are looking to get into, the ACCA qualification offers you career access to becoming a global finance professional. One of the best things about ACCA qualification is it can offer you opportunities to live and work in 179 countries. That's a huge number of places to choose from, providing you with a passport to a broad and a varied career that can take you anywhere in the world. The third one is additional qualification. You will have an opportunity to complete various other qualifications while studying for ACCA. Once you have completed first level of qualification and a professional ethics module, you will get a diploma in accounting and business from ACCA. Secondly, when you have completed second level of qualification and ethics and professional skills module, you will get an advanced diploma in accounting and business from ACCA. You will also have an opportunity to complete an academic degree with Oxford Brookes University. In order to obtain this qualification, one has to submit and pass a research analysis project to Oxford Brookes University once you have completed your 9 papers and ethics and professional skills module. You can also add a master's degree in professional accountancy from University of London, one of world's top universities. The fourth one is strategic partnership. ACCA collaborates with leading universities worldwide, providing routes for academic and professional qualification. These qualifications are designed to complement ACCA and help you to specialize in a particular field. Also, the Approved Employer Scheme for Professional Development recognizes organizations which support ACCAs for their continuing professional development. ACCA has partnership with companies like Coca-Cola, Dell, Facebook, Microsoft, World Bank, UN, and many more to provide quality learning opportunities for ACCA members in the workplace and develop them for their professional career. ACCA also has a mutual agreement recognition with different professional bodies around the world, which enables ACCA members to apply for direct membership to these professional bodies. Some of them are Chartered Accountants of Australia and New Zealand, Hong Kong Institute of Certified Public Accountants, United Arab Emirates Chartered Accountant, Malaysian Institute of Certified Public Accountants, and many more. The fifth one is practical experience. As part of your ACCA qualification, you are required to complete 3 years of work experience. The best part of work experience is you can choose when to start. With 3 years of work experience on your CV, you are already ahead than any other qualification.